Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and install fonts in Gimp. It's really simple and easy. There are two ways to install fonts in Gimp. First one is to install the font directly to your computer. To do this, choose the font that you would like to install. So for free fonts, you can visit the font.com website. To download the font, click on download button, and once it's done downloading, open the file, double click on it, and then simply tap on this install. If you have GIMP open prior to the font installation, kindly restart the program to apply the changes. But this method would also add fonts to other programs like Microsoft Office, Photoshop, and other programs as well. To directly install a font only on GIMP, start by extracting the font files on a separate folder, then highlight the font files that you would like to add to GIMP. Right click it and select copy, or simply press Ctrl C on your keyboard. Now open GIMP, click on Edit tab on the menu bar, then select Preferences. Now scroll down to find the folders, expand it, and then click on this fonts folder as you can see here. Click on the system directory where the GIMP's font folder is located. Click on the drawer icon at the upper right side of the panel to open the folder. Open the fonts folder and right click on it and select paste, or simply hit Ctrl V on your keyboard. Restart GIMP, and once you open it, you have now installed the font in GIMP. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to download and install font in GIMP. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.